Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add text on video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our video and we are going to add some text on video. Now you see multiple option and then you see type tool T. It's mean text, so click on it. So we select type tool and then click on video. Now click on it so you can add text. Adobe Pro. Now you see we added some text. Now select and then you see multiple option. If you want, you can increase font size. If you want, you can change font family. You can change color scheme. So it's up to you. Now you see color scheme change. So you can set color scheme according to requirement. Now you see if you want, you can add some stroke. So you can do setting according to requirement. And if you want, you can change position. Now you see, or if you want, you can change position manually. Now select this. Now you see. So you can increase font size manually also. Now you see. So it's up to you. Position, if you want to add this text on whole video, now drag and drop like this. Now you see. Now play. If you want to reduce, now this text don't show on this section. So in this way you can add text on video. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.